It's so hungry.
Hurry, it's dying.
I know, but what do plants usually eat?
Fruit?
Yes, fruit! Go get an apple, quick! Yo, that's whack.
What? Who are you?
Don't worry about it. Those plants are photosynthetic. Therefore, they do not require food for their nutrition.
What's a photosynthetic organism?
Oh, I think I could show you. Yo, listen up people, cause you need to know. There's a process for plants because they need to grow. There's a process for plants because they need to eat, and a quota of air that they need to meet. This process is called photosynthesis, and this process is so infamous. The plants are able to make their own food, unlike all the things that we have to. First off, these plants gonna use the sun and some water and dioxide, as in carbon. The CO2 passes through the stone, no matter how much you ask, will save a lot of it. Water is then absorbed by the plant's root, so it has the power to say I am Groot. And then we get to the chloroplast, and the chlorophyll traps the energy fast. This energy splits all the water up into hydrogen and oxygen not seen in the cups. The oxygen is released to the air, but the hydrogen and CO2 are still there. Those two elements form glucose or food so that they can eat and so they won't be rude. This is so magic, but the plant's not major. This process does occur in two stages. There's the light dependent and the independent. Count drill time because I'm gonna spend it. Those light dependent depend on light. Those plants convert energy on site. They occur in the thyroid membrane, but they can't happen when they're in a nightshade. And this is complicated, so you better listen. We gotta go over both the photosystems. First comes photosystem 1. This uses the energy from the sun. The electrons make the NADPH, so the light independent can use it later. Then comes photosystem 2. This photosystem helps me and you. The energized electrons from the sunlight enter the transport chain for just one night. The water is split like I said before, but you just wait because there's more. The oxygen is released as waste so that we can live and breathe and taste. The hydrogen ions can't be contained as it moves across the thyroid membrane. These ions form some ATP. Now you know enough to earn a PhD. They're INDEPENDENT. Do you know what I mean? They do not need the sun directly to carry out this function correctly. This reaction uses energy from the CO2 called ATP. This CO2 enters the Calvin cycle as the glucose forms and the food is final. Carbon molecules are arranged again to the life of plants. This does depend. After this is over, the cycle is done. All can admit the cycle is fun, and you know this info if you read it. It's at PHOTO synthetic.